Hi guys, welcome to another video. So yeah, this one is about Yignificent. This is Den's. He gave Animal Jam another try, and I'm starting the Yignificent fund. So when he's on, if you catch him on, he of course he's a non-member, so you don't send him gifts. Do not do that. Don't send gifts because he can't accept them. Just trade him when he's on. He will probably have like a koala plushie, something like that. So if you go onto his channel, say he has his new users, Yignificent. What was I going to say? Go on his channel. Just you can subscribe to him. So yeah. So donate to him. And so if you haven't known, Den's got banned forever. He was really rare on that account, so it was really upsetting. But everyone thinks his user is Manaway. He quit on Manaway. No, not Manny. So yeah, he quit on Manaway. I think he gave all the stuff to Yignificent. Sleep by the statue was like breaking the ice and melt sugar. How do you say this? Is it Mount Shivir or Mount Shiver? I have no idea. So yeah, I always tag along her. She's always and she's very rare because she's always doing something fun. Trade me that the new black hat that's in store. Oh, there's something new. Or is that the beanie? I don't know. Let's check. Oh, fedora. This is kind of cute. You know what? I love this new thing. I love open signs, so this is just for me. I love this. It's adorable. They've been bringing back betas. They brought back this. I love the black. It's so cute. They brought back this. They brought back this. And then they did the diamond shop. So yeah, this is my den. I could do a small den tour, I guess. Not like that. Sorry, I had to pause it. So this is okay. Let me start from here. I have nothing in my yard. I don't really know what to put in my yard, so yeah. I have just basketball if you want to play basketball. I have a hot cocoa machine. I like to keep my den. Well, it's locked right now. I like to keep my den locked. I don't know why. Just a plant. I love these kind of plants. Here's a little game room. Has river wreath, a penguin mat, cat banner, 10 million jammers, and a cat. I love the centerpiece, whatever you call that. And this is just a fortune telling thingy. I don't know. I like to. It's cool. So yeah. What was I going to do? So yeah, I just oh yeah, I was gonna show you something. I I'm trying to send this to Grim 5. I don't know how to. If you could do it through YouTube, can you please tell me? I made this. I can make one for you if you subscribe and you tell me how to send it. So, it's really cool. Each picture is a separate thing. Look at this. See, I made. So I took her name tag, took a picture of each animal, I did some artistic effects, and I took her achievements. This is mine. I made one for myself. I know. That's my penguin, that's my bunny, and that's my fox. I have 2 looks on my foxes. So yeah, that's me. These are not together. I separated them. And oh yeah, I was going to tell you guys about. I already showed this, but I wanted to explain it. So, this is just a little scammer list. I like to keep track of the scammers, so that that I know who they are, so I can watch out for them. I'm probably gonna do some scammer videos, and I'll do that next. I'm just going to show you some scams and what they look like, so that you guys have a pretty good idea how to not get scammed. So, oops. So I guess that's it. Bye. And I just want to tell you, I guess, you know how Gummy Unicorn has that become a pony master today? Well, I made up this. I know sometimes. Z Foxes of the Z Jungle. I just liked it. I thought it was cute. So